Edo government officials and the Federal Ministry of Work don't plan to meet sake of the flood wey destroy properties for the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC office for Aduwawa, Ikpoba Hill. Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki for him visit to the premises of INEC for Aduwawa after him inspect the damages caused by last Friday's flood, come talk say it dey unfortunate say the rainstorm wey happened few days ago lead to the flooding of INEC properties just when they wan start the continuous voters registration exercise. He come talk say
it's really unfortunate that we had such a devastating rainstorm a couple of days ago, which led to the massive flooding of these premises just ahead of the commencement of the continuous voters registration exercise. You can imagine how disruptive this incident has been for staff of INEC and also for the people who are expecting that they will have a flawless registration process. That is one of the reasons why I came in here this afternoon with the entire team to look at what's actually happened, what we can do in the immediate while we are pondering on a longer-term solution to this problem since it's become a perennial issue. You see the Federal High Court behind and the Federal Court of Appeal have vacated. In fact, we've had to relocate them. But because of the size and the operational extent of operations of INEC, we have not been able to, do the same with them. We're in a perpetual election mode in Edo State. So what we will do in the immediate is I've set up a team. We're going to have a meeting with the Ministry of Works that really has responsibility for this road. As you know, it's a federal road. So the drainage design is really with them. So we need to understand what they did. While as a palliative, we'll look for alternative drainage routes system behind where where the low points are. We'll channel waters into those areas. We'll have to work with INEC quickly to resecure the premises so that their facilities are safe, and begin to think about a longer term and much more permanent solution. If they need to be evacuated and the whole area rebuilt, we'll consider that. I believe that's not something we can achieve between now and the elections in 5 months' time. So we'll work with them, work hard to make sure that they are put in a situation of operational readiness to undertake the next gubernatorial elections.
Edo State Residential Electoral Commissioner Dr. Anugbom Onuoha thank the governor for the visit and can assure the people of the state say the continuous voter registration exercise go still hold as they plan regardless of the flood.
We had the flood the day before yesterday as a result of the heavy storm, and the thing affected our fence at the back of the ICT. And I'm so happy that the governor came to inspect the place. Governance is all about the people. We are not talking about politics. The primary duty of government is to protect the lives and property of the people, and this is one of them. So I'm glad to see you here. This place is supposed to be a center for the registration. We have relocated it to our office in the Govumet, just close to the closest office here. We got machine from our neighboring states for this purpose. We cannot afford to fail the people. The exercise, if you come by 9 o'clock, we will start by 9.
The National Commissioner wey dey in charge of Edo, Cross Rivers and Delta State, Professor Rhoda Gumus, come talk say the flood dey really devastating as it destroy INEC properties.
To use this opportunity to thank the governor because we are actually devastated, and I was told, because we tried to make some investigations, we were told that this axis is supposed to have underground there, but that the underground is blocked. So that is why when rain falls, it will push out, and then it becomes a surface water and floods our compound. You can see that the other buildings there, they have vacated this place because of this same flood.
The governor, entourage, also visit Ekiuwa Ute, quarter for Ikpoba Oka local government area of the state, to see one road where erosion damage. He can promise to send engineers to begin immediate remediation work.
Make them quickly fill up this place. Make we bring back the road. But we go now finish the design so that we do the erosion control, just as we do for Temboga side, so that none of us suffer again.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.